Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for the latest updates, and like the video. Now, let's get started. Apart from the listening test, another crucial section in the IELTS exam is the reading test. In this video, we will focus on reading comprehension and how to effectively answer blanks and multiple choice questions. How to approach the reading section. 1. Take a blank sheet of paper and number it according to the passage. 2. Each passage contains 15 questions, combining both fill-in-the-blanks and multiple choice formats. 3. Read each question carefully, then locate the answer in the passage using keywords. 4. Work passage by passage, checking your answers after completing each set of questions. This method will help improve your reading accuracy and speed. Pro tips for IELTS reading. Never read the entire passage first. This wastes time. Instead, read the questions first to understand what information you need to find. Identify keywords in the questions, such as verbs and nouns, and locate them in the passage. Use skimming and scanning techniques to quickly find relevant details. At the end of this video, we will provide a detailed explanation of all the answers. Check your answers and comment your score below. Reading passages for IELTS exam. Passage 1. At the rainy day.
Fill in the blanks. 1. The weather before the rain was extremely and uncomfortable. 2. When the rain started, the wind began to blow and made the atmosphere pleasant. 3. Children made and watched them float in the flowing water. 4. The smell of wet filled the air, making the surroundings feel fresh. 5. People used and to protect themselves from the rain. 6. Heavy rainfall caused on the roads, making movement difficult. 7. The trees and plants looked in after the rain. 8. Some areas experienced due to the stormy winds. 9. After the rain, the sky was decorated with a beautiful. 10. Despite the problems, the rainy day was a change from the heat. Multiple choice questions. 11. What was the weather like before the rain? A. Cold and windy. B. Hot and dry. C. Rainy and stormy. D. Foggy and misty. 12. What did the children do when the rain started? A. Stayed inside and watched TV. B. Played outside, splashing water and making paper boats. C. Ran to school. D. Covered themselves with blankets. 13. What filled the air during the rain? A. The scent of flowers. B. The smell of wet earth. C. The fragrance of food. D. Smoke from chimneys. 14. How did people protect themselves from the rain? A. By standing under trees. B. By using umbrellas and raincoats. C. By running fast. D. By using sunglasses. 15. What inconvenience did the heavy rain cause? A. It made people feel warm. B. It flooded the roads and caused power cuts. C. It made trees fall on houses. D. It stopped birds from singing. Fill in the blanks. 1. The family visited the zoo on a and pleasant day. 2. The lions were sitting under the trees. 3. The elephants were spraying on themselves with their trunks. 4. The monkeys were from one branch to another. 5. The peacock spread its and performed a beautiful dance. 6. The owls were sitting in their cages. 7. The reptile house had various like snakes, crocodiles, and turtles. 8. The fish in the aquarium swam inside the glass tanks. 9. Before leaving, the writer bought a shaped like an elephant. 10. The visit to the zoo was both and enjoyable. Multiple choice questions. 11. What was the first enclosure they visited? A. Bird section. B. Lion's enclosure. C. Aquarium. D. Reptile house. 12. How did the elephants play in the zoo? A. They roared loudly. B. They sprayed water on themselves with their trunks. C. They ran around quickly. D. They slept all day. 13. What did the monkeys do? A. Danced in a circle. B. Sat quietly in their cages. C. Swung from branches and played around. D. Slept under a tree. 14. Which bird performed a beautiful dance? A. Owl. B. Peacock. C. Eagle. D. Parrot. 15. What did the writer buy from the souvenir shop? A. A book about animals. B. A small toy. C. A keychain shaped like an elephant. D. A fish tank. Answers.
Explanation of the answers with reference to the passage. Passage 1. At the rainy day. 1. Hot. The passage states, it was a scorching summer afternoon, and the sun shone brightly in the sky. The heat made it unbearable to step outside. This confirms that the weather before the rain was extremely hot. 2. Gently. The passage mentions, the wind started blowing gently, and the atmosphere turned pleasant. This indicates that before the rain started, the wind blew gently. 3. Paper boats. The passage states, some of them made paper boats and watched them float in the flowing water. This confirms that children made paper boats and played in the water. 4. Earth. The passage describes, the air was filled with the refreshing smell of wet earth. This shows that the rain brought the smell of wet earth into the air. 5. Umbrellas, raincoats. The passage states, people walking on the streets hurriedly opened their umbrellas or wore raincoats to protect themselves from getting drenched. This confirms that people used umbrellas and raincoats. 6. Flooding. The passage mentions, several roads were flooded and water clogged the drains, creating difficulty for vehicles and pedestrians. This confirms that heavy rainfall caused flooding on the roads. 7. Green, fresh. The passage says, as the rain continued, the trees and plants looked greener and fresher. This explains that after the rain, the trees appeared green and fresh. 8. Power cuts. The passage states, some areas even experienced power cuts due to the stormy winds. This confirms that the rain caused power cuts in some places. 9. Rainbow. The passage describes, the rain finally stopped in the evening, leaving the streets washed clean, the air fresh, and the sky painted with a beautiful rainbow. This confirms that a rainbow appeared after the rain. 10. Pleasant. The passage mentions, despite these minor inconveniences, the rainy day was a welcome change from the heat. This shows that people found the rain pleasant. Multiple choice questions explanation. 11b. Hot and dry. The passage states that before the rain, the weather was scorching and unbearable. 12. B. Played outside, splashing water and making paper boats. The passage explains that children jumped into puddles, made paper boats, and played in the rain. 13. B. The smell of wet earth. The passage describes the refreshing smell of wet earth after the rain began. 14. B. By using umbrellas and raincoats, the passage confirms that people hurriedly opened their umbrellas or wore raincoats to stay dry. 15. B. It flooded the roads and caused power cuts. The passage states that heavy rainfall caused flooding and power cuts in some areas. Passage 2. A visit to the zoo. 1. Bright. The passage mentions the weather was perfect for an outing, with a cool breeze blowing and the sun shining gently. This confirms that it was a bright and pleasant day. 2. Lazily. The passage states, the first enclosure we visited housed mighty lions, who sat lazily under the trees. This confirms that the lions were sitting lazily under the trees. 3. Water. The passage describes, next, we saw elephants spraying water on themselves using their trunks. This confirms that elephants were spraying water. 4. Swinging. The passage says, the monkeys were the most playful. They swung from branch to branch and entertained the visitors with their funny antics. This confirms that the monkeys were swinging. 5. Feathers. The passage states, the peacock spread its feathers and performed a beautiful dance. This confirms that the peacock spread its feathers. 6. Silently. The passage describes, the owls, on the other hand, sat silently in their cages, appearing sleepy and calm. This confirms that the owls were sitting silently. 7. Reptiles. The passage mentions, we then visited the reptile house, which had various species of snakes, crocodiles, and turtles. This confirms that the enclosure had reptiles. 8. Gracefully. The passage says, the fish in the aquarium swam gracefully in large glass tanks. This confirms that the fish swam gracefully. 9. Keychain. The passage states, finally, we visited the souvenir shop, where I bought a keychain shaped like an elephant. This confirms that the writer bought a keychain. 10. Educational. The passage mentions, the day at the zoo was both educational and enjoyable. This confirms that the visit was educational. Multiple choice questions explanation. 11b. Lions enclosure. The passage states that the first place they visited was the lions enclosure. 12. B. They sprayed water on themselves with their trunks. The passage describes how elephants sprayed water on themselves using their trunks. 13. C. Swung from branches and played around. The passage states that the monkeys were playful and swung from branch to branch. 14. B. Peacock. The passage mentions that the peacock spread its feathers and performed a beautiful dance. 15. C. A keychain shaped like an elephant. The passage states that the writer bought a keychain shaped like an elephant from the souvenir shop. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the bell icon, and hit the thumbs up button for the latest updates and to learn more about the IELTS exam. Don't forget to share this video.